Next, we'll study about the star delta conversion. Okay, so basically, whenever you can't be able to calculate the resistance in series or in parallel, then only will go for that option, star and delta. Basically, what is star and delta? We have two types of supply. One of the supply is single phase supply, another of the supply is three phase supply. Single phase supply that we are using in our homes, that is the single phase supply. Okay, and three phase supply is mainly the big supply, like we are using well, big hotels or industries. Basically, in three phase we'll have three wire. One wire is of the red color, another wire of the color, and another wire of the blue color. That is denoted by RYB. Have you seen three phase supply? No, red, yellow, blue. Yeah. Basically, wires they are divided in category. So one, we can connect the all the three wires in the star shape. Like we want that all the three wires should be, so all the three wires can be connected like this. Okay, or we can connect the wires red, yellow, and now tell me, is there any another way of connecting? This is star connection as delta connection. Okay, clear? Now we should how can convert from star to delta and delta to star. So for that you have to see like RA, this is RC. Put it in the form like just imagine this R1, R2, R3. Here now I'm combining things star RA. This is now first we learn about the star. Now can you tell me that how for conversion of delta to star we need R1, R2, R3 or RA, RB, RC? Yeah, we need which value? RA, RB, RC or R1, R2, R3? Yeah, so RA, RB, RC. Now tell me, RA is connected between R1 and R2, right? So that would be R1 into R2 divided by sum of resistor which are connected in series, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, similarly for RB as you can see it is connected R2 and R3, that would be R2 to R3, R1 plus R2. Now RC is connected R1, that would be R1 to R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, clear? Now next telling you the star to delta. Now for star to delta we need RA, RB, RC or R1, R2, R3. So as you can see that R1 is connected RA and RC. That would be RA RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay. Now R2 is connected with RA and RB. That would be RA RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. R3 is connected RB and RC. Sorry. Are not the form star to delta. R1 is connected between RA and RC, so RA plus RC plus RA into RC divided by the rest one RP. Okay. Now R2 is connected. Now R2 is connected RA and RB. So that would be RA plus RB plus RA into RB divided by the rest one RC. Okay. Now you tell me for R3. Hmm. Understood?